What are you doing there? What are you doing with the microphone, with the loudspeaker? Now, you cannot do that here. If you want to preach the word of God, you go to your church. Are you getting me? You are causing pollution. You cannot come to a marketplace and begin to disturb everybody else. Are you getting me? If you want to preach the word of God, you go to a church. The person who wants to come to your church will come to your church. But you don't force everybody. In a marketplace, people have come to trade. It's not a church. So you don't do that, because I could have asked them, they would have arrested you. You are contravening the law. Okay? You don't come out and take a space and start preaching. It's noise. All the candidates will microphone. You are polluting the place. It's illegal. Okay? Everybody has freedom of worship. You want to worship, we protect everybody. But you don't go to the middle of a market where people are coming to trade and turn it into a church. Otherwise, they will charge you. They will be charging you for this space. And you pay maybe 200,000 or 500,000 each day that you come to do the preaching. Now, but you cannot allow that. You see, I na chundi na joy feni na Anambra. Ofoni menda I na chuku manda amumoga. I na chuku fanja. Okay? Uno na nuku even neku. Genonte. If at this day you took your microphone, your loudspeaker, on here in front of somebody's later. This loudspeaker, as it blasts, is touching people's eardrum. Onye nona could this loudspeaker on air for about 3 months. Do you understand the reason why we stop these things from being played in the markets? Because the noise pollution, because this person, you've kept the loudspeaker beside her shade, has no choice now. So you are forcing them, because this woman has no choice. You put the loudspeaker beside her shade. So that noise that will keep blaring her eardrum every day, you come and the blast is destroying something in the eardrum. What we're saying, if you want to preach, go to a church, or you go and hire a field. Okay? So that anybody who wants to listen to you can come and listen. And those who don't want to stay near the loudspeaker can go away. But when you come to the market and put the loudspeaker, the person, all these people around here, you are destroying their eardrum. Are you getting me? Yeah. We'll say to everybody, let's preach the word of God, but not by force. Huh? They have come here to sell, to find something to feed their children. You don't force them. This thing keeps blaring their eardrum. By the time on a low 50, 60 years, or that no longer able to hear well. When you are talking to them, you say, Omar even man, Omar no loudspeaker, the way I could care when where's the internet? Okay, Esikumoka for Takita. Manoni Munuka Kaija. And I cook every day, but all by choice.